In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo.io. This process is essential for streamlining your customer relationship management and sales operations by enabling seamless data flow between HubSpot, a leading CRM platform, and Apollo.io, a powerful sales engagement tool. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot CRM. You can do this by typing HubSpot CRM into your preferred search engine and clicking on the official HubSpot CRM software link that appears in the search results. Once there, click the Get Started Free button to begin setting up your account if you haven't already. You'll be prompted to either create a new account or log into an existing one. If you're a new user, fill in the required information to set up your HubSpot account. If you're returning, simply enter your existing credentials to log in. Confirm your selection by clicking on Continue with the chosen user account. Make sure you're selecting the correct HubSpot account that you wish to integrate. Once you've confirmed everything, click on Continue with this account. Now that you're inside HubSpot, the next step is to navigate to the HubSpot Marketplace. Look for the Marketplace option in the menu. It's here that you'll find integrations and apps that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Click on the HubSpot Marketplace link and use the search function to locate Apollo.io. In the search bar, type Apollo.io, and once the search results appear, look for Apollo Enrichment among the listed options. Selecting Apollo Enrichment will provide more details about the integration. To proceed with the integration, click on the Install button. This action will direct you to Apollo.io's login page. Here, you need to either sign up for a new Apollo.io account or log into your existing one. Just follow the on-screen prompts to access your Apollo.io account. This step is crucial as it establishes a communication channel between the two platforms. Finally, you will be prompted to authorize Apollo.io to access your HubSpot account. This authorization step is vital as it allows Apollo.io to fetch and update necessary data within your HubSpot CRM for a seamless integration experience. Follow the authorization steps carefully and ensure you've granted Apollo.io the required permissions to avoid any disruptions in the integration process. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Apollo.io. This integration should enhance your workflow efficiencies and provide your sales team with enriched CRM data, ultimately helping you create stronger customer connections and drive successful sales engagements. If you ran into any hiccups during the process, ensure all software updates are current and try revisiting the steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.